Security forces arrested 13 cadres of proscribed group Kykl during cordon and search operations at Moirang Kiam Laikai in Bishnupur district today. According to police, a combined team of Bishnupur district police and Central Security Force arrested the cadres during cordon and search operation conducted at Moirang Kiam Laikai under Moirang police station. The arrested members are identified as Private Rohit alias Chingsangpa Singh, aged 26 years from Thamna Pokpi Makhalekai, Private Kongkham Helmet alias Thongamba, aged 27 years from Suknu Mamanglekai, Private Leishangthem Amerjit alias Nongpok Nganba, aged 26 years from Ningthokong Ward Number 2, Kwarakpam Bikram alias Rex, aged 42 years from Nacho Ward Number 5, Private Soiban Deepak, aged 33 years from Yurembam Maninglekai, Private Laishram Indrakumar alias Boy Mite, aged 42 years from Itham Maninglekai, Private Konthosam Swarnajit alias Thaujan, aged 36 years from Lamphil Kuno, Private Haishnam Pramananda alias Rocky Mate, aged 33 years from Thanga Kujin Lekai, Private Kundongbam Nimai, aged 28 years from Hairok, Private Naurem Amerjit alias Thanil, aged 28 years from Suknu Owang Lekai, Private Abujam Rinku alias Thawai Rakpa Mite, aged 28 years from Suknu Makhalekai, Private Moirangthem Ino alias Robin, aged 44 years from Moirang Kuno Kong Nakong, and Private Hausungbum Ibomcha alias Athoy alias Pamay Mete, aged 18 years from Laushangkong Mayai Lekai. Later, the arrested cadres have been brought to Imphal police station for further investigations.